Kalumpong Yalekai District Level Inter-School Athletic Meet 2024, balapan nihad ka Office District Sports Officer DSO West Jaintia Hills, ringkat ka jingat rilang ka West Jaintia District Sports Association WJDSA, kala Sdang ha ka shitarik jamang hamadan kiang nang ba Stadium Jowai. Hagan ni Kalumpong Yalekai balai ski nenter, lawan shimbenta dan nyos pa prapun yongot ki kena shenrang, bat kentay, naki arpusam tendi ki school na keleng ka district. Halaki jongki kerdan Yalekai ki bakentup nadu ka under 14, 16 but 18. Ka Additional Superintendent of Police West Jaintia Hills District kum ka kongsan ha ka jingdon lang u District Sports Officer DSO ba Krobok Pasa, u Working President WJDSA ba EMH Pasa, ki Principal ki nohikay na ki school baper ki wahe shnong, ki lapanher ya kalama kum kada ka jing Sdang ya Kalumpong. Ya ka jing bamsmay ne oath ceremony, lalam khamat da uyo iksan lingdo.
Many of the students are no longer staying active in sports. In fact, rather than being active in sports, they are addictive to mobile phones, that is playing the mobile games. When we talk about boys, if we refer to girls are being addicted to social media, be it Instagram or Facebook, which is in fact very discouraging. And what we have observed that many of the students now, since they are too engrossed with mobile phones, too engrossed with an addiction or too addicted to mobile phones, now even they do not have that rational thinking. They do not, they tend to be very frustrated, they tend to be very angry, they do not know how to participate, they do not know how to interact with people, they tend to lose that. So my advice to all the students, please be active in sports, because if you stay active in sports, it not only helps you to stay physically active, but it also helps to develop your mentality.
Hakas ngi Sdang na pendap ya ki jing Yalekai kentup nadu ka shot put high jump ka jing ya kop mare ba pras pa mitar ha ka baki kena shenrang bat kentai ki laya shimbenta shitham ban pen I ya kasap ka talent Yalekai. Ha ka jing ya kop shot put jong ka kerdan under 16 boys la job da utrang ki olipon na Government Boys Higher Secondary School ba ar ebormi poplan North Liberty Higher Secondary School bat balai wan dame talang Government Boys Higher Secondary School. Ha ka jing ya kop shot put jong ka kerdan under 18 girls la job daka ribat yang dekhar St. Mary's Mazzarello Higher Secondary School ba ar risuk lang I Suchiang St. Dominic Higher Secondary School bat balai Jingshai Hun Kso Little Flower Higher Secondary School. Ha ka jing ya kop long jump jong ka kerdan under 18 boys la job da uban shan kupar Suchiang Saulingdo Higher Secondary School ba ar Shonghok dekhar Kiang nang ba Higher Secondary School bat balai Debor Shua Shadap Dome Memorial Secondary School Jowai. Haga chinya kop long jump jong ka kerdan under 18 girls la job daka De Gracia Dan na North Liberty Higher Secondary School ba ar Lisibia Nong Tudo St. Mary's Mazzarello Higher Secondary School bat balai Emi Dakachwa Sena St. Dominic Higher Secondary School. Haga jinya kop high jump jong ka kerdan under 16 girls la job daka terchan I Charmang na Don Bosco Secondary School ba ar haka dayo I Sana North Liberty Higher Secondary School bat balai Sanika Bhoy Umulong Presbyterian Higher Secondary School. Haka jinya kop ba pras pa meter jong ka kerdan under 18 girls la job daka Justina Dhar St. Mary Mazzarello Higher Secondary School ba ar Dewari Maya Mika Dekhar North Liberty Higher Secondary School bat balai Iwala Napasa Government Girls Higher Secondary School.
Pinocong. Asa man tao?
May I have your attention please? This is the final call for 800 meters under 16 boys and girls track event heats. Pay attention please. This is the first call for long jump under 16 boys hexathlon. Athletes, please report to the call room. This is the first call for shot put under 16 girls hexathlon. Athletes, please report to the call room.